Welcome to video 4 of 5 on your vehicle's autopilot system. Today, we're diving into the advanced features that make driving even smarter and safer. If you've mastered the basics, it's time to unlock the full potential of your autopilot system, especially in complex driving environments. Your car can navigate complex road conditions, like heavy traffic or tight turns, using advanced sensor data and real-time processing. Learn how to utilize automatic lane changes safely. Simply signal your intention, and the system assesses the environment before making a smooth transition. Advanced cruise control allows you to fine-tune your driving experience. You can adjust following distance, set speed limits, and utilize the resume feature for seamless control. Parking assistance systems are perfect for tight spots. The car can identify suitable parking spaces and maneuver itself into place with minimal effort from you. Remember that you are always in control. To manually override the autopilot, simply apply steering wheel input or press the brake pedal. If you encounter any common issues, try checking for blocked sensors, restarting the system, or consulting your vehicle manual for specific guidance. It's crucial to know when to disengage the autopilot. If you feel uncomfortable or conditions suddenly become unsafe, take manual control immediately. That wraps up our look at advanced features. Join us in the final video, where we'll cover essential maintenance and care for your vehicle's autopilot system.